Good morning. How are you, children? See, children, in our last class of the grammar, what we have discussed about the masculine and feminine gender. What we have discussed, children? Masculine and feminine. Okay. What do you mean by masculine? What do you mean by masculine, children? All the male nouns are known as masculine. All the male nouns are known as masculine, and all the female nouns are known as feminine. Okay. All the female nouns are known as feminine. Now today we will discuss, children, how to give the masculine form to the feminine and feminine form to the masculine. In our last class we have learned how to identify the masculine and how to identify the feminine genders. Okay, now suppose there is a question given to you to write the feminines. Write feminines for the following. They given to you feminines for the following. This is how they have given to you to write. Okay. Now let us see. First one, king. What is the feminine gender for king, Nana? King. Queen. What is the feminine gender for king? Queen. Next, Nana, cock. Easily you can write cock, feminine gender. Hen. Cock, feminine gender. Hen. You can give in this way. Cock, feminine gender. Hen. Next, uncle. They gave us uncle to write the feminine gender. For uncle, aunt. Uncle, feminine gender. Aunt. Next, Nana, son. Son, feminine gender. Daughter. D-A-U-G-H-T-E-R. Daughter. Okay, son, daughter. Boy. What is the feminine gender for boy, Nana? Easily you can write. Girl. Boy. Girl. Next, sir. Madam. Sir. Madam. Next, children. Father. Mother. Father, feminine gender. Mother. Okay. Next, children. Husband. Husband. Husband, feminine gender. Wife. Husband. Wife. Next, children. Fox. Feminine gender. Vixen. Fox. Vixen. Next, children. Dog. Feminine gender. Bitch. Dog. Bitch. Next, lion. Lioness. Lion. Lioness. Lioness. Next, Nana, God. Goddess. God. Goddess. So in this way we can write the given words feminine genders very easily. If they gave to write the feminine, they will give us masculine gender, and according to the given masculine we have to give the suitable feminine. If you see here, king, queen, cock, hen, uncle, aunt, son, daughter, boy, girl, sir, madam, father, mother, husband, wife, fox, vixen, dog, bitch, lion, lioness, god, goddess. This is how we are giving the feminine gender for the given masculine. Sometimes, children, they will give us the feminine and they will tell us to write the masculine. So, how you have to write the masculine for the given feminine genders? Let us see. Masculine for given feminine genders. Okay, write the, sometimes they will give the Roman in this way. Write masculine for the following. Now they gave you cow. They have given you cow. They have given you princess. And they have given you sister, sister. They have given you women. They have given you lady. They have given you maid. They have given you mama. They have given you niece. So in this way they have given you these to write the masculine gender. Let us see how. Cock, bull or ox. You can write a bull or ox. Princess. Princess masculine. Very easy children. Prince. Princess masculine. Prince. Sister. Brother. Very easy this one also. Sister. Brother. Women. Man. Lady. Gentleman. Lady. Gentleman. Mare. Horse. Mama. Papa. Niece. Nephew. So in this way I wrote the masculine for the given feminine genders. So they can give you either to identify the masculine or feminine, or they will give any one of them and they will tell you to write the other one. If suppose they will give you the masculine gender and you have to write the feminine, or in another way they can ask you. They may give you the feminine and they may told you to write the masculine. So both, if you know masculine feminine correctly, both the things, both Romans, both the models you can write very easy. Now one more thing we have to learn, children. Sometimes what we will ask to do, sometimes they'll ask us to, they'll give the statement and they'll tell us to change the gender. So we have to be careful when we are changing the statements, Nanna, when we are changing the gender. Change the gender and rewrite. Change the gender and rewrite. They may give in this way. Change the gender and rewrite. Now see, suppose this is given to you. He is a wise boy. Here they gave and they told us to change the gender. First here he we have to change, boy we have to change. What is he? Feminine form, she. Okay. Is a wise. Here boy. Boy should be changed to girl. Boy should be changed to girl. Coming to another example, children. If you take another example, the king was very angry. The king was very angry. Here, what is the feminine form for the king? The king feminine is the queen. The queen was very angry. The queen was very angry. So we are rewriting the statement by changing the gender given in the statement. Let us take few more examples, children. Let us take few more examples so that you can understand more better. Coming to the third one, the tiger killed the fox. Killed the fox. Here the tiger and fox both you have to change. The tigress. The tigress killed the vixen. Fox, vixen. Okay, coming to the fourth one, children. She has 2 cows. What she has? 2 cows. You can write He has two bulls. Okay. Next, fifth one. Said he is absent today. You can give another one. Madam, she is absent today. So in this way we can change the gender and we can rewrite the given statement. So 4 models we have learned. How to identify the masculine and feminine, how to write the feminine gender for the masculine, and how to write the masculine for the given feminine gender, and how to change the gender of the given statement. So children, in this chapter what we have learned? We have learned about the masculine. What is the masculine gender? Male nouns. All the male nouns are known as the masculine and all the female nouns are known as the feminine gender. Till now in third class grammar, it's even though it's not in your syllabus, Nana, we are teaching this to make you to give you some knowledge regarding the grammar. So you have to write it in a separate book. Don't mix it with the textbook. Okay, textbook separate, grammar separate book. Grammar book you can use any rough book also. If you want the perfect notes, then you can write in a separate book. And today in 2 or 3 days you will get all the PDFs, whatever the topics we have completed. What we have completed? We have completed the alphabetical order, the correct order of the letters. And we have completed use of a or an, singular, plural, countable, uncountable. Now we have discussed about the masculine and feminine gender. So I hope you all understood about the masculine and feminine gender. Let us revise some of the masculine and feminine genders. Actor, actress, boy, girl, brother, sister, bull, cow, cock, hen, dog, bitch, father, mother, fox, vixen, gentleman, lady, god, goddess, hero, heroine, horse, mare, husband, wife, king, queen, lion, lioness, man, women, nephew, niece, ox, cow, papa, mama, prince, princess, sir, madam, son, daughter, tiger, tigress. Tiger, tigress. Okay, children. So in this way we have learned about the masculine and feminine gender. I hope you all have enjoyed the class. Okay, children. Bye. Have a nice day, all of you.